stocks, apart from this, the new age tech companies, especially Eternal, that's in focus. That stock has been actually increasing its band prices. Now earlier it was trade at 240 to 50 levels, now it's 250 to 260, and now currently it's going between 260 to 270. Kunal, if you would like to have a chart check on Eternal, the strength looks strong.
Yeah, it looks strong, and in fact, I think just about a couple of days back, we were discussing that Eternal's chart are indicative of a golden crossover where the 50 DMA is about to cross over the 200 moving average. I think more or less today we are seeing that instance happening on the technical charts for Eternal. This could actually be very positive for the stock over the near term, and we've seen over the last many days that stocks which have actually given golden crossover, they have a tendency to rise up by another 5% to 10% before they go into a very similar kind of a gradual correction or mild profit booking mode. So I think even if we look at Eternal from current levels, we can expect the stock to head towards 275 to 285 potentially on the back of this golden crossover, which is a very important technical phenomena over the near term charts.
All right, that's about Eternal. Yes, the stock has seen a good move, especially in today's trading session. But Siddharth, what's your overall sense coming in on the pharma space? Because for today, yes, Glenmark Pharma has been the star performer after that licensing pact with FV, and the kind of numbers or the kind of deal that it has been, what a breakthrough for Glenmark Pharma, especially when the drug is still in the phase 1. But what does it really tell you about the sentiment pinning, or rather making for the Indian pharma players, and especially for those who are on the R&D side? Because for Indian companies, we never had such kind of a scenario wherein the Indian companies were rewarded so very well. But with Glenmark Pharma cracking such a deal, is the sentiment can move higher from these levels?
Srishti, I think definitely one of the best deals that we have seen in the pharma space. I think globally it is the fourth largest deal that for a product that Glenmark has been able to achieve, and definitely it does a lot to improve the management credibility in the R&D capabilities for Glenmark. So that's a huge, I think, thumbs up for the R&D work that they have been doing. The subsidiary, the innovation subsidiary for Glenmark, I think does give a validation that Indian pharma companies can also do a lot of R&D, and those products can be commercially viable. So we definitely see a big positive for Glenmark itself, a re-rating of the management credibility. The deal itself adds roughly about 500 rupees net present value to the future cash flows. So we see somewhere about target price of 2,430 rupees. I think overall, as you rightly said, the sentiments for the domestic companies, pharma companies, especially in the R&D space, that gives a big boost in terms of hopes that some of the other products in the pipeline can also see commercialization as well as improvement in the deal valuation. So, a positive direction for the Indian pharma companies.
Yes, pharma space is something to watch out for, and of course, 3 months, the tariff deadline was there, and 3